I know that ache in your chest, the quiet panic you feel when the numbers don't move, when the message never comes. I have stood where you stand now, watching the outer world as if it were the judge of my life. I am not guessing tonight. I have proved this. If you will dare to live from done now, your breath will change, your walk will steady, and the world will have no choice but to rearrange. This is not hype, it is a transfer of authority from the report without to the I am within. You have stared at facts long enough. Let me give you the law, simple and as severe as sunrise. Assumption, felt as true and persisted in, hardens into fact. God is not far off. God is your own wonderful human imagination. When you assume the end, you cede the cause. When you live from the end, the world receives its orders. There are two men in you. One is a reporter. He scrolls, measures, and waits for permission. The other is an author. He decrees, feels, and releases. You cannot serve both. One of them must die in you tonight. Let the watcher go. Let the builder rise. I will place a key in your hand, 5 simple steps to feel it real and manifest faster. Not by chasing means, but by appointing the end and letting life obey. Before this hour closes, we will practice it together. You will taste the after-feeling of already mine and carry it like a quiet fire into your day. Ask yourself now gently, honestly, who commands my world? The outer report or my inner word? If you will whisper, I am, and mean it, everything changes. Tonight, I show you how. I want you to think of your mind as the court of inner appeal. Outer facts are witnesses. They may testify, but they do not judge. You are the judge. The end you accept is the verdict that the world is compelled to carry out. Or if you prefer, see your consciousness as a garden. Your attention is water. Your repetition is sun. Your assumption is seed. You do not dig hourly to check the root. You water, you shield, you wait in quiet certainty. You ask, how do I feel it real? I will give you my 5 steps. They are simple. They are exact. And if you will obey them not once, but like breath, your life will harden into the shape of your inner decree. First, choose the end. Do not chase how. How is the old man's work? End is the new man's throne. Select one short scene, 2 to 5 heartbeats that would be true if your desire were already fulfilled. Not a montage. One proof. It might be a banking line that reads, €3,000 incoming. It might be your friend's voice. It cleared, check now. It might be the embrace that follows reconciliation. The ring warm in your palm. The email subject, approved. Choose one down. Make it ordinary, specific, and undeniable. Shrink it until it loops cleanly. The shorter the loop, the faster the imprint. Say softly, end, not means. Second, enter the state. Feeling is the secret, and the body is your instrument. Let it grow heavy and sweet. Breathe slower than usual. Allow the jaw to unhook, the eyes to soften. I call this, SATS, state akin to sleep, because seeds take root in softened soil. You are not trying to go unconscious. You are quieting the surface so the deeper can take command. Third, be first person and sensory. Do not watch yourself as on a screen. Be yourself. Look with your eyes. Touch with your hands. Hear with your own inner ear. If your scene is the deposit line, feel the cool glass of the phone, the slight oil of your thumb, the micro-release beneath the ribs as the number appears. If your scene is the voice of a friend, hear their timbre, their little laugh, the space between words. If your scene is a door opening, feel the latch, the warmth of air on your cheek. Make it as real as this room, then add the simplest emotion of relief having, not craving. Fourth, repeat to inevitability and release. Run the loop 3 to 5 times, each softer, each truer, until the smallest wave of astrois rises and breaks. That is the mark. Stop there. Do not strain to hold it. Do not rehearse 30 versions. Let it go like a lullaby that keeps singing by itself. Whisper, thank you, but only as gratitude after the fact. Gratitude before the fact begs. Gratitude after the fact reigns. Fifth, live from it. In the day, keep controlled attention. Where attention goes, power flows, and mood grows. If inner speech starts to ask, will it? Answer once, it is, and return to the end. If the world contradicts an email delayed, a face code, label it old news. Touch the inner scene for 10 seconds. Then take one tiny act a person who has would take. Not to make it happen, to agree with your decree. If at night the day contained contradictions, revise them. See the conversation, turn warm. Hear the yes, feel the bill stamped, paid. Hold the better end until it feels like the only way it ever happened. Then release the day and sleep in. It is finished. That is the formula. End. Stain. First person sensation. Repeat to inevitability and release. Live from it. 5-step. Shorting. Down. Sharp. Entire. You may say, but I want proof. I give you a neutral proof so your faith may be quickly established. For a few nights, imagine climbing a ladder, hand to rung, foot to rung, the slight sway of the frame while posting notes around the house. I will not climb a ladder. You will still meet a ladder by image, by need, by fact. Why? Because imaginal act is cause. Outer facts are slow echoes. Keep the neutral test small, so your certainty can grow. Then transfer that certainty to your chosen end. Now, I will walk you through it. Sit or lie where the body can forget itself. Breathe in for 4, out for 6 twice. Let the shoulders settle as leaves settle when wind ceases. Lift your chosen scene, not 10, not 2-1. Hold it like a coin in the dark. Step into it. Be there. If you hold a phone, feel its weight. If you hear a voice, let it vibrate your inner ear. If you count notes, feel the paper stick and slide. Add the after feeling, having the drop in the belly as the burden falls. The air that seems to move more freely in the chest. Let a half smile come, unforced. Run it again softer, and again truer. Stop at off. Whisper, thank you. Open your eyes. Notice the room, but keep the mood. That mood is the authorization you carry into the day. It is not fragile. It is not rare. It is your natural inheritance when you live from the end. You ask, how often? Often enough to keep the tone. I prefer a short morning appointment, 1 loop, before the world speaks. Midday, 3 chimes each chime. Check your inner conversation and switch from will it to it is. Evening, a gentle sats of 5 to 7 minutes. Revise contradictions. Sleep in the fulfilled state. This is not labor. This is governance. You are king over the one territory that matters attention. Guard it as you would your breath. But what of urgency? Urgency lives in means. Return to end. A man who has is not frantic. He is clear. He acts in line with the result he has accepted. Your tiny act is not to coerce events. It is to consent to your own decree. Move the bill from due to paid and bless it. Draft the message you would naturally send after the yes. Polish the wallet. Place 1 note within, and bless it as a symbol of flow. These are not bargains with fate. They are simple agreements with your identity. What if the world is silent? Silence is incubation, not refusal. All seeds are quiet before they break the surface. Do not uproot your seed with anxious fingers. Water it with attention. Shield it with revision. Wait with the dignity of one who has already decided. What if I doubt? The weak man argues with doubt. The wise man replaces it. When accusation rises, replace it. When bargaining begins, replace it. With what? With the end. With the tone of already. With a quiet, of course. Who rules? Your inner word. What is real? What you accept as done. What do you ignore? Old reports. Well, what do you fear? Fulfillment. When? Now. I will give you an identity to speak, not as wish, but as law. Speak softly as though you were teaching your bones. I live from the end. I appoint the result and ignore the root. My imagination is God in action. What I repeat, I become. It is done. Again slower. Let it cut a groove in you. I live from the end. I point the result and ignore the root. My imagination is God in action. What I repeat, I become. It is done. Let me tell you why this changes people around you. Everyone is yourself pushed out. You do not wrestle with shadows. You alter the light that casts them. When you revise the image from which you behold a man, you revise the man for you, not by lecture, by assumption, not by pressure, by feeling. The world is a mirror, and you are the face. Clean the face, and the image clears itself. You must also learn the 5 refusals and 5 returns. Refuse to argue with facts that contradict your end. Refuse to beg reality for permission. Refuse to measure sprouts as harvest. Refuse to share your seed with gossip. Refuse to fear silence. And return to the end. Return to the feeling. Return to inner agreement. Return to quiet command. Return to gratitude after the fact. I will give you a tiny ritual for 72 hours if you wish to accelerate. Each morning, before the phone, run your loop once and rise only when the after feeling clicks. At midday, 3 times, switch your inner sentence from question to certainty. Each evening, 5 minutes of sats, 1 minute of revision, then let it go. During the day when contradiction appears, set a hand lightly on the heart, breathe once, and touch the end for 10 seconds. Then, act from that mood. That is all. If your mind argues for complication, smile and call it old news. The law is simple and severe. What you accept as true feelingly, repeatedly hardens into the fact called your life. You have tried living by the weather of circumstance. Tonight, try living by the climate of decision. I will take you once more into sats, so you may feel how gentle it is. Let the jaw unhook. Breathe in for 4, out for 6. Again, lift the one scene. Step into it. First person. Let the senses bloom. Add the after feeling. Repeat until, of course. Stop there. Whisper, thank you. You do not need the world to believe you. You do not need permission to move your inner world. You do not even need to feel confident. You need only to feel it real long enough for the seed to take. Faith is not noise. It is repetition. The mind does not believe what is true. It believes what is repeated with feeling. So repeat truth, quietly, daily, until it is your reflex. I will leave you with 4 lines to carry like a card in the pocket of your mind. End, not means. Already, not someday. Author, not reporter. I am is the cause. Say them softly now. End, not means. Already, not someday. Author, not reporter. I am is the cause. Again, slower. End, not means. Already, not someday. Author, not reporter. I am is the cause. Now take your 1 loop with you. Do 1 tiny act a person who has would do. If the day contradicts you, revise and release. Walk as author, not reporter. And watch how the world by ways known and unknown obeys the word you have accepted as law.